STEM Club Pakistan. Learn, create, innovate. STEM Club Pakistan is revolutionizing the education of Pakistan's young minds by providing 360-degree STEAM solutions to schools across the country. A team of qualified engineers passionate to serve our youth through project-based education and help them grow in the field of practical science. Our vision is to provide a strong foundation to our pre-college students regarding modern applications of science. Make them capable of applying theoretical knowledge into the practical application and counseling them for their field according to their passion and interest. To fulfill our mission, we brought the concept of STEAM, science, technology, research, engineering, arts, and math education for students. To link between modern science and the physical world by emphasizing on practical exposure of building science projects. Empowering the future, the transformative power of STEM education. Why STEM Club Pakistan? 1. Easily adaptable STEM courses. STEM Club Pakistan has developed STEM-based courses for grades 1st to 10th can adapt easily. 2. Curriculum mapping. We integrate your existing curriculum with our own STEAM curriculum. 3. Professional STEAM trainers. Our trainers are trained by STEAM experts. 4. Relationships with global tech companies. We worked very closely with Google, Facebook, and IBM to keep introducing new and innovative approach to STEM education. 5. Global Mentor Network. In addition to the STEM trainings, we provide exposure to children through guest speaker session by mentors from tech companies and Pakistan's entrepreneurial community. Our services. 1. School Enrichment Program. This program enables schools to integrate STEM Club Pakistan's curriculum within their regular curriculum for watching. For more, do contact us.